Hey everyone, Ruben here, cooking in kitchens and all that fun jazz. So a couple weeks ago, we had done a video, the peach capri salad, and it had this balsamic vinegar in it. Well, it's not just any balsamic vinegar, but it's an aged balsamic vinegar, a little bit thicker than normal vinegar, and works as like really good on a reduction, or as a reduction, or as like a dressing or something like that. So I realized it goes really good on fruit. And I know now you probably spent like, I don't know, 10, 20, $30 in some cases on one of these. You don't want to just sit in your cabinet. So here's what we're going to do with it. All right. So I've got this banana here that's all cut up. And we're going to take our whipped cream, and we're just going to go ahead and see if I can do this while holding a phone at the same time. I'm just going to go ahead and apply a nice, comfortable amount of whipped cream on this. And then we're going to take our vinegar and just kind of drizzle it over it. And then I've got a little bit of salt here. So I'm just going to take this salt. This is Himalayan salt. I'm just going to go ahead and sprinkle it across the top on this. And there you go. You have a delicious banana cream with balsamic, with the aged balsamic. Delicious. That's it. Just a quick short. Enjoy the snack. Like, subscribe, share. Yeah, as everybody says. Later.